Hello, what's up everyone? So welcome to this video tutorial series. So in this video series we are going to learn how we can create a game for Android. So let me just run what type of game that we will be creating. So this is just a simple game made in Libgdx. So as you can see in my screen, so right now we can play, so we can test it. So as you can see the score, so is the score logic is working, and whenever we lose all our lives, so we will be presented to another screen, which is the game over screen, and we can click play so to play again. The life will reduce, so every time we hit the our player with the rock, so we can see that after it hits the rocks, so we can reduce our life and the game will restart. So this is the type of game that we will be creating within this tutorial series. So I hope you will follow with me with this video lesson. So with that being said, let's generate our project. So I made this game in Libgdx framework. So if you want to follow along with me with this game course, so you can download the Libgdx setup. So they have, you can search it on Google and download. So I have already downloaded it from the online, so I can so you can just Google and download this setup. So I downloaded the Libgdx nightly version. So this is what I downloaded, so the nightly version, so this one of 2018. So all you need to do is to download this first. So you can search it on Google and you can download. Then once you download it, you will click this one to generate your first project. So just double click to open it. So be sure that you are connected to the internet, because it needs an internet connection to generate your project. So name your project, so however you like to call it. So then the package name, then the destination, so where you want to save your project. So as of mine, I save it in the desktop so I can easily import it. And you can see I have this folder. So this is what I have generated. So right now I don't have an internet connection, so I don't want to generate it again. Then the location, be sure that you also have downloaded the Android sticky. So this is I will not walk you through the process of downloading the sticky. So but the process will be simple. You can just download it. You can search it in Google and download the Android sticky. So you can click the browse and locate where you save your Android sticky. So as of mine, I save it in my E drive, and we can search for Android sticky. So in my C drive, if I can see Android, so there it is. So I save it in my E drive, then browse it and choose your project. So as of this tutorial, we will choose only Disrupt and Android and exclude the Paxstudent and the HTML. So Once you already done that, you will just click the generate. So you can also explore the third-party extension if you want to include a third-party extension, but for this tutorial we will not include. So you just click generate, yes, and this one just click yes. So right now I will not do that because I don't have any internet. So I already created my project. So I name the project for tutorial project. So this is the project. So let me just head over to my Android studio, and there we will close this one. So because we will start from scratch, so we can close now and open the generated project. So click to open the project. So the first time you open it in Android Studio, so it will take a couple of minutes to totally build the project, but it is already done building the project. So so by default, after you generate your Libgdx project, so by default the files will be the core. So this is only we have generated the Android and desktop modules, so the core will be the dependency of this Android and desktop module. So if we go to the build gradle file, so you can double click. So this is the build gradle of the project. So the whole application, for the whole application we can see the dependency, and this is all by default. So we have the whole project. We can see the version that we are using. So the GDX version, so the ASLI version, and we have project in desktop that depends that implement the dependency in the project core. Android also depends on the implementation of the project in core. So these two modules depends on the core. So by default we have only one file, so in the core. So this is where we will be start working. So if I run the desktop application launcher, so by default, if you are working with Android, you need to set up the environment and change the working directory to Android. So you can just click, if you have a module project, so Android project, so if you include, you will just select the Android assets. So we will just select the Android asset and click OK. So and then choose the class path module to desktop. So select, then apply. Make sure that you also configure the main class. So we can just set it here. So just click main desktop launcher and then click apply. OK. And for the first time, if we are going to run, so this is what it looks like. So by default this will this should look like this. So by default, so guys, in the next video we will start we will begin our project. So we'll start creating. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video.